There is a kind of pain no one sees. You smile. You answer messages. You keep going through the day like everything is normal. But deep inside, something is heavy. Something hurts. Something keeps asking you why life had to become so difficult. And maybe you have tried to hide that pain. Maybe you have tried to ignore it. Maybe you thought that being strong means pretending you are not broken. But listen carefully. Your pain is not here to destroy you. Your pain is here to reveal you. Because the truth is, no one discovers their real strength when life is easy. You do not find your power when everything goes according to plan. You find it in the moments when you fall and still choose to rise. You find it when your heart is tired, but you keep walking. You find it when no one believes in you, but something inside you refuses to give up. Pain changes people, but it does not have to make you weaker. It can make you sharper, wiser, braver, more focused than you have ever been. Every scar you carry has a lesson inside it. Every disappointment has shown you what you deserve. Every failure has taught you something success never could. So stop running from your pain. Look at it. Face it. Ask it what it came to teach you. Because sometimes the thing that hurts you the most becomes the thing that builds you the strongest. You may not understand it today. You may not see the reason right now, but one day you will look back at this season of your life and realize something powerful. That pain did not end your story. It became the chapter where you finally woke up. The chapter where you stopped waiting for someone to save you. The chapter where you stopped begging life to be easy and started becoming strong enough to handle it. Do not be ashamed of what you have survived. Do not hide the battles that shaped you. The strongest people are not the ones who never hurt. They are the ones who felt the pain, carried it, learned from it, and still chose to move forward. So if you are hurting right now, remember this. You are not weak. You are being rebuilt. You are not lost. You are being redirected. You are not finished. You are becoming someone stronger than the version of you who first entered the storm. Embrace your pain! Not because it feels good, but because hidden inside it is the power you have been searching for. And when you finally stop seeing pain as your enemy, you will understand the truth. The fire that tried to burn you was the same fire that taught you how to rise.